I'm happy to announce that Ballie, the smart AI companion, will be available in the first half of 2025. Ballie is an AI home companion that continuously learns and evolves to understand and get to know you, providing personalized experiences over time.
That I'm excited to share today is our new Galaxy Book 5 Pro and Galaxy Book 5 360, our latest AI PCs. Galaxy Book 5 Pro and Galaxy Book 360 offer even more choice for users who want next-level performance for productivity, creativity, and connectivity. AI Select helps you access quality search results faster and easier while browsing, shopping, or viewing. You can seamlessly work across your smartphone, your tablet, and PC with features like Samsung Studio to edit creative projects at home and on the go, or wherever inspiration strikes. And new Storage Share lets you move files between your Galaxy smartphone, your tablet, and your PC into one complete bank of storage.
The bespoke AI laundry combo, a washer and dryer in a single unit, is perfect for making the best use of my apartment space. Now, I can finally binge a few episodes of my comfort show. But listen, I have to admit, I'm guilty of taking out my phone, falling down the internet rabbit hole, searching every guest actor I know I've seen before. I just can't remember from where. Well, with the click to search feature, I can just push the AI button on my remote and get information on the actor, other shows they've been in, and even recommended shows just like the one I'm watching. So, no more rabbit holes. Of course, having a great picture is still so important to me when watching TV, but it can get annoying if I have to change the picture modes and the settings every time I watch a different show. Samsung's new AI mode works behind the scenes to detect the content you're watching and automatically optimize both picture and sound based on your viewing environment or preferences. Samsung is also using AI in other ways to make things more personal. I've spent a ton of time making sure my apartment reflects my style, and that includes the art I put on my walls. With the generative wallpaper feature, your compatible Samsung TV can instantly create pictures that match your taste. And starting this year, all Samsung QLED TVs, along with the frame and micro LED, will feature Samsung Art Store with over 3,000 pieces of art that you can display anywhere you have a compatible Samsung TV. It's like bringing the best of MoMA and Musée d'Orsay right to your living room. Actually, it's just that. Well, you know how time flies, especially when watching TV, but it's really time to finish my laundry. Since the bespoke AI laundry combo completed the cycle without me having to switch it from washing to drying, I was able to enjoy the entire show without interruption.
For office managers and bigger businesses, we are working with partners to build a new, on-premise, future space platform for buildings and large offices called FIT. Built to better understand a building's space and infrastructure, FIT will give you new ways to personalize and optimize an office's layout. Use less AC equipment for a cleaner look while reducing electricity costs by controlling the sunlight coming in and the heating coming out. Another new SmartThings collaboration set to make waves is with Samsung Heavy Industries. Wow. Yes, that means SmartThings is coming to ships. SmartThings for Ships is a new integration that uses Matter, the connectivity standard, to connect with compatible ships. Wow, indeed. Start your engine, set the temperature, and turn on lights with pre-sailing mode, saving the captain and crew's time and energy to get ready to set sail. While you're on the way, get a complete look at your ship's compatible power, AC systems, air quality, fire, and smoke alarms with care mode. Plus, when you're not on the go, protection mode is constantly monitoring for any abnormal activities and will alert you immediately if something is off. Just like managing your smart home, SmartThings for Ships gives you all these insights with just a glance at the SmartThings Pro dashboard. But now, in your car, we're working with Hyundai Motor Group to bring SmartThings to your Hyundai EVs. With the power of Home AI, SmartThings can recommend the best time to charge your EV based on your schedule, electricity prices, and more. Or, if there's a power outage in your neighborhood, SmartThings Energy will activate battery backup mode. And together with AI Energy Mode, your car can intelligently power your home and prioritize the essentials. Say you've lost your car in a crowded parking lot after maybe holiday shopping. SmartThings Find can now help locate your vehicles and show them in the SmartThings app.
Plus, we're working with industry-leading partners to use our home AI insights to create a more personal, seamless health experiences. I'm very happy to announce that one of these efforts is our continued work with Dexcom. Dexcom's biosensors track glucose, providing people with accurate, timely insights into how food, medication, sleep, and exercise impact their health. In the future, integrating these insights with Samsung's AI appliances, SmartThings, and Samsung Health, we envision a new, more personalized way to empower millions more people to manage their diabetes and overall metabolic health.